With Retriever's v12.5 update, you can forget about MCP servers as Retriever can create tools on the fly. With just an access token or API key on on your web page itself, Retriever can generate a tool to call that API. So if you're just on a web page with the access token, you can just be like, create a tool using this access token to load a new Hubspot contact. And Retriever will dynamically generate that tool for you. So in this case, it has created this load HubSpot tool that you can reuse in the future, and then you can reuse it immediately in the same workflow. So you could give like a you could give a direction to like then go to my LinkedIn connections and upload my top four connections to HubSpot. In the same workflow, it could just generate the tool and then just use it. So this is a complex multi-step process because it needs to first extract the details from my LinkedIn connections, like open them as new tabs, get their contact info as well as other details, and write them back to a Google Sheet, and then use that data to call the API tools. So with this, you don't need to figure out like which MCP server to add, which one to dynamically call, and like all of those tools like add clutter to the model anyway. So if you have like an MCP server of like 30 tools, that's just going to lead to worse performance. So it has already extracted all of these details from the people, and it will call the HubSpot tool then for all of these rows. So you can deterministically call them because we have this feature that for a Google Sheet row, there will be a tool call for every row. So it introduces determinism at the key spots for Retriever. So we can go back to HubSpot and see if the contacts have been successfully up. So they are there. Yeah. So hopefully this reduces the mental clutter for you, and we're excited to see people use cases.